videos, I'm going to teach you a little bit about Scratch. Scratch is an online coding program for kids. You can make games, animation, and stuff like that. Hi everybody, welcome to Coding with Sahaley. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a platformer game, and this is part 1. So first, we're going to want to press the create button. And then we don't want this scratch cat, so we're going to press the delete button to delete it. Now we're going to press the cat plus button, which is choose a sprite button. And then in the, there's a lot of sprites, and I'm going to pick one right now. I think this dog one is good because it has a nice walk and it looks good for walking, because you can see the costumes from walking, they look really good. And I don't really want this costume, so I'm going to delete it. Now we have a dog walking. And the size is a little bit too big, so let's change it to 50. Now let's go to the code, and we're going to go to events and do when 5 clicked. And then go to controls and do if-then block. Then go to sensing and do this key space pressed. And we're going to change it to right arrow. So we're going to make the dog move, and we're going to right click and duplicate. And we're going to change that to left arrow. Okay, so now what this will do is when you click the green flag, if key right arrow press, then something will happen. And if key left arrow press, then something will happen. Well, what we want to happen is we're going to first go to motion, and we're going to do, we want it to move 10 steps. Now when we press the key right arrow, it's not working. Right now I'm pressing the right arrow and it's not working because you need to do a forever loop so it happens forever. Now it happens every time I press the right key. And now we're gonna do a change Y by change X by 10 block, and we're gonna change that to -5, and we'll change move 10 steps to 5. So now when it's negative, it goes to the left, the X. So if I press the left arrow, it'll go backwards. But we want the dog to face to the left when we click the left arrow. To do that, we're gonna press this point in direction 1, and we're going to change it to 90. You can change it however you want it to be, but we want it to be 90. And I can show it right over here by the size. There's this direction. You can see now what it's doing is it's moving around. So we want the direction to be 90 in the beginning. Oh, yeah, 90. And then if the left arrow press, then it will be -90. And now what it will do, oh no, it's turning upside down. Now the problem is that the rotation style is different. We want the rotation style to be left to right. We don't want it to be all around, we want it to be left to right. So we're gonna add this set rotation style left to right. So now when we play it, when we go to the left, it will turn around. And now we want the dog's legs to move, so we're gonna wanna change the costumes from these legs to this leg, and like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to looks and do next costume, And now it's going a little too fast. So now you can add a weight, go to controls and add a wait 1 second block, and you can change it to however you want it to be. This is a time lapse of me picking the right speed. Okay, so wait 0.1 seconds is the best, and now I'm gonna add, do the same thing to the left arrow. And now, let's save it and let's try it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed making the platformer game. This is part 1. Remember to subscribe for more videos and comment down below what cool things I should teach you in Scratch, and also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a new video.